You want more?
Please come here.
Come, we'll hold it together and go.
Ma'am, इधर देखिए.
चलो चलो जाओ लोग उठाइए. This is so pretty.
Would like to request everyone to kindly clear the path. Would like to request everyone to kindly clear the path. Would like to request all our friends from the media to kindly clear the path. A very good evening, everyone. Can I please get a better powerful good evening? Good evening, everyone. Good evening, namaste, and a very warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful evening. At first, I would like to thank each one of you for taking out time to be a part of this momentous occasion. Would also like to thank our friends from the media for making it here despite the bad weather and the bad traffic. So thank you for being here with us. And this evening, we all gathered here for the grand opening of the finest live grill buffet and bar chain, the BBQ Company. The place known for its wide range of Mediterranean, American, Oriental, Asian and Indian cuisine. The place for the food enthusiast, the place where people can taste authentic recipes, bewitching smoke and grill cuisines, mouth-watering dishes, all in a remarkable ambience. And for the
सबसे पहले आपको ही केक मिलेगा, don't worry.
I'd like to request what is the manager to state Zareen Khan. I'd like to request Fayaz Khan ji to felicitate the directors of the BBQ Company. We have with us this evening the directors, Mr. Shashank Mishra and Mrs. Pragati Mishra. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to cut the cake. And for the cake cutting, we'd also like to introduce and request Zareen Khan, whose parents have introduced and bought this beautiful place here in the city, Guwahati, for us. Zareen Khan to join Zareen in the cake cutting.
आओ, अभी वो कुछ हैप्पी बर्थडे बताओ ना. चलो ready? Come. You also come. Where is your hand? Come.
Yes.
Okay.
We all have a big round of applause. That's the BBQ Company here in Guwahati. And now, ladies and gentlemen, time to...
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Thank you. Launch of the BBQ Company. so more than knowing my story, we should be talking about BBQ company because I've already been in this industry for what 10-12 years now, and I think a lot of people already know my story and who don't, there are a lot of interviews with my story out there, so they can watch that. So आज शाम मैं गुवाहाटी स्पेशली आई हूँ फॉर द लॉन्च ऑफ द BBQ कंपनी एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ पे होके, मुझे इतना अच्छा वार्म वेलकम मिला है। गुवाहाटी बहुत टाइम बाद आई हूँ, सो आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट सुल्ताना जी ओवर हियर। इतनी खूबसूरत जगह बनाई है उन्होंने, फ्रॉम द इंटीरियर्स टू द वाइब, everything about this place is so lovely just like her, and I would like to congratulate her and wish her all the best कि वो और भी कई सारी branches of the BBQ company और restaurants जल्दी से खोलते हैं।
तो अब नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आया है बारबेक्यू कंपनी के लिए, खूब अच्छा है, लेकिन आपका जो असम में है लैंग्वेज इज नॉट वेरी आई थिंक आई कैन डू मेकिंग हिंदी फिल्म ऑल्सो एंड अदर लैंग्वेजेस फिल्म हियर ऑल्सो बिकॉज आवर very much scenic, beautiful places here in Northeast India.
Yes, of course.
Then, do you have any idea or anything to visit here in Assam and Northeast?
Yes, well, शूट का तो मैं अभी कुछ बता नहीं सकती क्योंकि वो तो जो प्रोड्यूसर्स होते हैं वो उनके हाथ में है, बट डेफिनेटली व्हेन आई टर्न इनटू अ प्रोड्यूसर वेरी सून आई विल डेफिनेटली बी शूटिंग अ लॉट इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट बिकॉज पर्सनली नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है वो मेरी यू नो बकेट लिस्ट जैसे बोलते हैं उस पर है फॉर ट्रैवलिंग। मैं बहुत टाइम से प्लान कर रही हूँ पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट घूमने के लिए, बट नॉर्थ ईस्ट है काफ़ी बड़ा, तो यू नीड लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ डेज टू कवर एवरी पार्ट ऑफ इट। बट हाँ, मैं बहुत टाइम से ये प्लान कर रही हूँ एंड मे बी आई विल बी विजिटिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट फॉर अ वेकेशन वेरी सून विद माई फ्रेंड्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग वेकेशन सो दैट आई कैन कवर एवरी पार्ट।
From the film fraternity, do you have any ideal person to follow him?
No, I do not have any idols in the film fraternity because I never grew up, you know, wanting to become an actress. I wanted to be a lot of other things, but I never thought I'll ever become an actress because I never thought that I have that in me. I always thought that actresses were these perfect beings, and I have always I've grown up as a tomboy. I still am a tomboy. So right now because I've come for this event, I'm already up. But yeah, I think that's that.